Bynta ban Rakhe ya ka World No Tobacco Day ka St. Peter's Higher Secondary School ka Lapanlong ya ka Jylla ba bat ka signature campaign henla ka sngi ka life huwei tere ujumang kane ka rally ka balas dang na phalau jong kane ka school bat kibalaya shadow Don Bosco Square lara ringkat ki jingtho ki badan ye kentien ba pher ban penpau ya ka jingma na ka jingplong kam miau duma na ka liang ka principal jong kane ka school ka kong JSM ka layathu ba kane ka rally ka long ban persya ya ka jingplong kam miau duma.
We have been having a lot of lectures and talks and even participation to get this area near our institution cleared of all the smokers, because you will see that a lot of young people, boys and girls in particular, have been smoking a lot, in this lane just in front of the institution. And there are some places in the corner where they smoke, and it has become very irritating to the students and to the teachers because they get that smell, that whiff of the smoke, and it is so bad. Students start coughing, teachers don't like the smoke. Many do not like tobacco, the smell of the smoke of tobacco. It is really very irritable. So we have had the DC, she's been very kind. She has made a survey over here, her people, and so there has been some control in these places here about no smoking near educational institutions. So we want to keep that up. So the rally today is to bring in that awareness among the students.
Hagajuk opor ka District Legal Service Authority ka Lapanlong ya ka observation of World No Tobacco Day High School Bynta Secondary School Bynta East and West Khasi Hills District. Hagani ka singi lai don lang ki khina school kinong hikai jong ka school bansakhi ya ka program haringkat kinong tray jong ka DLSA West Khasi Hills District. Ka DLSA kala ai ka jing penchai halor ka jing sakta jong uduma ya ka koi ka khia batru kala ai ka jing penchai ba ka an ka khang bat maham ya ki breu bandi luma ha ka chakapat ba bat kala kenturu ya ki bakin kiar na ka jingdi la ne bam duma khanang banyo ya ka met ka bakot ka bakhya.
Kadang sampai bak kalau abang makan dulu juga jaga. Kalau abang di hayau maha, mau sometimes kita tak makan hayau mana bentuk kelak. Henry kat pun ke aku orang kita sampai bak kalau abang hayau, kalau abang orang kita jaga office sarkar, office lagi school, lagi college lagi. Kita lihat kita kalau dia kerja maham betul bamde bandi rumah. Kalau abang ki bosses kilo jaga kat bak office tu kan dulu ke jaga abang pintar away. Kita ki jaga mo, lagi dia ki hotel, ki restoran, ki pada ki hospital, kita ki jaga ki lokal spesifik smoking zone, kemudian pada jaga lah di rumah. Lain kita ki jaga pada dia lagi di rumah jaga ki bun ki breu, ki wik ki parve kalau lebih anjatan. Mo kan ka ad keren cepat dah. Dengan ko alu betul kini betul tu kan ka ad ka orang lupa advertise. Apa ni try ki TV ni, sedang advertisement cepat itu aku cepat ki separi.